If you are a donut fan who loves taro, this recipe is gonna be your favorite. Tearing into the light and fluffy donut is the creamy taro filling that literally melts in your mouth. If that sounds good to you, keep on watching and I will show you how to make it. Let's begin. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
For the fillings you will need 130 grams of taro, 175 ml of whipping cream. For the dough you will need 200 grams of all-purpose flour, food coloring or some purple sweet potato powder, 1 whole egg and 1 yolk, 4 grams of instant yeast, 2 grams salt, 35 grams sugar, 75 ml milk, and 25 grams of butter and vegetable oil for frying. In a large mixing bowl, combine the milk and 30 grams of sugar. Stir well, then add the yeast and leave for about 10 minutes to activate. Then crack in 1 whole egg and 1 yolk. Mix well and then sift in the flour and salt. Stir well to combine and then knead until a soft dough is formed. You can use a stand mixer or the dough hook that comes with your hand mixer. Knead well for about 10 minutes and then add the butter and knead for 5 more minutes until you get a soft and smooth piece of dough. Shape into a ball and cover. Let it rest for about 1 hour until it's doubled in size. To make the fillings, peel and cube the taros, then steam for about 15 to 20 minutes until soft. In a food processor, combine the steamed taro and 35 grams of sugar and poach to puree. Transfer to a bowl and leave to cool. Chill the cream and then whip up until hard peaks formed. Combine the whipped cream and the taro puree and fold to mix in. You can add a few drops of purple food coloring or some purple sweet potato powder to get a deeper purple color for the fillings. Transfer into a piping bag and chill in the refrigerator. After resting for 1 hour, the dough has risen doubled in size. Punch it down and knead for 1 minute, then divide into 8 equal portions. Make each portion into a ball. Arrange them on a tray, cover with a kitchen towel, and let rest for another 30 minutes. When they rise double in size, heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil until bubbles appear around the chopstick. Drop in the donut balls and fry over low heat until they get golden brown on both sides. Then remove and let rest on a rack or paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Use a chopstick to poke a hole at the side of a donut. Pipe in the taro fillings until it fills all the inside of the donut, making it look so plump. Wow, that creamy taro fillings is so good. It chills and melts in your mouth. Combined with the fluffy and slightly chewy donut, it's a bite made in heaven. You gotta give this recipe a try. Share with me a photo if you do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes like this. I will see you then next time. Bye!